Hello everyone. We'll just wait for some people to join in the live session. So, this is my first live session, so please forgive me if there are any technical glitches. Hi Gunjan. Hi, I can see few people are joining in. Hi Siddharth. Hello everyone. We'll just wait a few more seconds so that more people can join in. Hi. Hello everyone. I can see more people are joining in. Thank you so much, Rahul. Thank you. I'm good. So, this is my first live, guys. So, please forgive me if there are any technical errors. I'll try my best. Okay, I'm happy my students are joining in. Hi, Malvika. I can see a lot of people joining in. So I hope you all know why am I doing this live, because we completed a year on one successful year, I would say, on YouTube as 5 Minute Economics. Hi Chahana. I'm not from Pune, but I did my masters from Pune and I'm working in Pune. Hi Rohit, hi Vedant. I can see a lot of people joining. Some other channels also joining. Economic Bites. Hello. My friends are calling me ma'am on the live, so it's just a little embarrassing for me. Hi Tosh. Hi Wahiba. So guys, tell me, ask me any questions if you want to. I just thought I'll do this live today since we completed a year on YouTube, and I mean, I didn't want to make it a very boring live or discuss economics or anything today, but just a general session. Oh, hi. Hola, I can see one more student of mine joined. So guys, tell me what's happening. Academics journey. Oh, by the way, today only I uploaded a video on YouTube regarding my economics and academic journey, basically, because there are so many people who've asked me that what is my qualification. So I thought to make a whole video, and I've uploaded that already on YouTube. So please check that out. For Instagram, I just wanted to do a live today. Hi Shreya. Hello. So guys, thank you so much who all are congratulating me. Thank you. Hi Janish. Hi Economics World. Hi EduTechwa. Economics. Yes, I can see more economics pages are joining in. Thank you, thank you. Actually, this one year, last year when I had uploaded my video, I never knew after 1 year I will do a live, or after 1 year I'll have such a good audience who, appreciates my work. Actually, from morning I'm feeling it's my birthday or something. Everyone has been wishing me congratulations. So it's like my baby's birthday. I consider 5 Minute Economics as my baby, like literally. Oh, YouTube link, you can find it in my bio. I have still not got 10k followers. If you give me 10k followers, I can just use that swipe up option, but I haven't got it till now because I don't have 10k followers, but hopefully soon I will have. So the link is in my bio, you can check it out. Thank you so much. Hi Ashita. I can see some known faces and some unknown faces who have come known after, now I know who all comment on my videos and photos. So I've come to know few people through this page. Future plans. So right now I am teaching already at Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce, Pune, and I'm pursuing my PhD in economics from Symbiosis International University. So I don't make very long-term plans, but my short-term plan would definitely be to complete my PhD, become a successful lecturer, and I will just hope that my channel and page grow a lot, because that is like my, as I just mentioned few seconds back, my baby, my love. So I just put a lot of effort for my page. So yes, so that will be my future plan. Oh, I can see my brother joining in. Hi Aryan. How do I wave over here? I can just see. Love your content. Thank you Anamika. Thank you. It's because of all your motivation and encouragement that I make content. And you know, whenever I am making videos and I'm not in the mood to make, I never just make a video, because I want to give like my 110 when I'm making a video. Because it comes when, you know, when I'm recording, it comes very much obvious that I'm not interested if I shoot when I'm not in the mood to. My name is Vidhi Kalra. I always say that in the beginning of my every video, so that you know, everyone doesn't know me only by 5 Minute Economics, but by my actual name also. I am not including anyone in the live right now. I have got few requests, but definitely one day soon I can have some live sessions. If you all are liking my live, definitely I can have that. But today I thought just to say a hi to all of you, and especially to thank all of you for you all loving my content. It wouldn't have been possible. 5 Minute Economics has reached almost 10k subscribers, and followers are also around 5400. That's all because of your support and love. Thank you, Jaren. I'm really happy that my videos saved you. And when people tell me that I watched your videos before the exam and the exam went very well, then I know chalo main sahi cheez kar rahi hu, because you know, then I know that it's me, Rids. My name is Vidhi Kalra. Yes, and it's V because some people just sometimes think it's Nidhi or Ridhi, but it's Vidhi. So just that. Thank you, Tinashi. Thank you so much. Oh, BHU is better for MA Economics. From which university are you comparing it? PhD thesis topic, I will tell you once I finalize that. I have obviously something in my mind. I just got done with my coursework, and I will be submitting my proposal by the end of the year, but I don't want to disclose the topic till the time it's not finalized. Oh, thank you, Mayor. I am really happy that my videos helped you a lot. I'm so happy to know that. Thank you, Sagar. Thank you. I can see few of my students, few of my audience joining in. I'm so happy you all joined in the live session. I was actually thinking, what if I conduct a live and people don't join in? But I'm happy people are joining in. Yes, I prefer macro more. In fact, I was lucky enough to even teach macro. So I was teaching macroeconomics for SY BCom, that is second year BCom and second year BA students. And yes. How do I manage time? College, YouTube, PhD. It's all about the, you know, if you want to do something, you can definitely do it. And I would say I am not some superhuman or something. PhD is lacking in the three things, if I would say. My channel and my college, I'm giving more time to that. But I know I need to give more time to my PhD. So ठीक है, जब वो time होगा, I will cut on my little time from college and my channel. So yes. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मैनेज कर सकते हो आप. You know that thing should be there from within you. If you want to do something, you can. You know, there have been days when I have been really busy and I thought कि अभी इस week video नहीं डालूंगी. But then I was like, no, then there will be a big gap. I want to upload a video. So if you want to, you can. Sometimes ऐसा होता है, I don't have time to find content. So I make a simple video, like a simpler topic, I would say. But video मैं ज़रूर डालती हूँ. Clubhouse. Acha, many people told me to join Clubhouse, but I'm not sure. Already I'm there at so many places. I don't want to be like everywhere. Hi HP. So HP is my student. I can see he's joining. Sebi. Okay. You really think? Someone also told me to give it the RBI exam. अरे मुझे और नहीं पढ़ना है अभी, कितना पढ़ लूँ मैं. I am from which state? I am from Uttar Pradesh, and I did my undergrad and postgrad from Maharashtra. So Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra are the two states I'm in. Thank you, Ashutosh. Yes. Macro में मुझे macro ज़्यादा पसंद है, but it's not like I don't know macro. I obviously know micro, sorry. Econometrics. Okay, so someone's asking me about econometrics. Okay, I I know econometrics, I've studied econometrics, but given me a choice कि macro पढ़ाना है econometrics पढ़ाना है, I will always go for macro. Macro is like my love. I love international economics also, but econometrics is not my forte, I would say. I know it, obviously मैंने MSc economics किया है, and after that जब मैंने UGC नेट के लिए प्रिपरेशन की थी उसमें भी econometrics था. So I definitely know econometrics, but not like I love econometrics. Trick to clear net. अच्छा, for that I don't want to bore those who are not interested in the net exam. मैंने already अपने YouTube channel पे net के लिए videos बनाई हुई है and people have really appreciated those videos. So I think they are helpful. एक economics के लिए बनाई है, एक paper 1 के लिए बनाई है, tips and tricks video बनाई हुई है. उसमें मैंने what do you call content I use, what books I've used, सब कुछ है from A to Z. So you can definitely please go to my channel and watch it out. Favorite fast food. Okay, so I am a big foodie and I love non-veg. So favorite fast food, I love butter chicken. I also love pizzas. I'm a big Chinese lover. So ऐसा choose नहीं कर सकती. I love pasta also a lot. So I'm a big foodie. Modeling अभी तो I think नहीं हो पाएगा. अभी लेट हो गया है. अभी मॉडलिंग के लिए जाना था तो मुझे शुरू से मॉडलिंग पे ध्यान देना चाहिए था ना. Now I am into this teaching and प्रोफेसर ही ठीक हूँ मैं, कोई बात नहीं. Oh, I'm not an actress, Malvika. I wish I was. अभी भी स्कोप है क्या? Can I still become one? Bangladesh. Oh, thank you, Arman. I'm happy. I have seen a lot of people from Bangladesh are following my content. Pakistan and Bangladesh, apart from India, of course. और भी बहुत countries है, Sri Lanka, Australia, UK, US. But after India, it's Pakistan and Bangladesh. So really happy. अच्छा, पिज्जा छोड़ दूँ so then I can become an actress. Okay, podcast, yes, definitely. Siddharth, you can connect to me on my DM after this live, and we can definitely. These days I am relatively free, so last week also I made a podcast. Like, I didn't take, someone took my interview and it was a nice session. So if you have something in your mind, let us know. Any country you wanted to visit or live in? I think I'm living in the country I wanted to be in. I don't want to leave India ever. And cities, so I've stayed in the cities I love. I've stayed in Lucknow, I've stayed in Bombay, I've stayed in Pune. So these three are my hometowns. I can always call these three as my home cities because I've stayed in all these three cities. Who was your favorite student in your first batch of TY BCom section? So my students are asking me this question. HP, you want to know your name only, right? You want to know this only. Thank you so much. I am seeing people from Pakistan also there. Thank you for your love. Major topics of economics. Arey, I have uploaded, मैंने playlist भी बनाई हुई है. I have uploaded a playlist. You can always check it out on my channel. There is a playlist where I have segregated. So okay, I think my friends are just having a little bit of fun with me. If I'll include them in the video, they'll all run away, and they're all sending me requests to come in the video. Malvika and Ashutosh, I can see they're having a little bit of fun with me. I'll see you guys after the live. Shreya, yeah, that's a secret answer only. I am not telling who was my favorite student. All of you were very nice. I liked you, I liked Shreya, I liked... I don't differentiate, okay? I'm not a biased professor, so don't make me take out words from my mouth. Best wishes from Nepal. Thank you so much. Yes, I have people from Nepal following my content too, so really happy. HP, but you had helped me a lot, okay? So thank you for that. Okay, if not economics, what would be your other subject? अरे यार, मैंने तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं economics के अलावा. If something else, it would be really tough. Maybe English. I think I really loved teaching English. Not teaching, actually studying. Teach तो बहुत कम ही किया था मैंने उसको. Like I just used to help my batchmates if they had any problem. Maths and accounts are definitely a no for me. Like, I am not good with the quant part. So accounts मैंने 11th 12th में पढ़ी थी और मुझे कभी समझ नहीं आई. Let me be very honest with you all. So accounts is something I run away from. Maths, it's still I like. जब तक answers आ रहे हैं तो ठीक है. Accounts में तो never that that assets and liabilities मेरा कभी match ही नहीं होता था. तो accounts, maths को छोड़ दो. English is something I like. Yeah. So after economics, if I would have been given a choice to teach any subject, would be English. Even like commerce. With commerce, business studies जो होता है, that's very कुछ उसमें इतना interesting नहीं है. जैसे economics is very interesting, I feel. Thank you so much, Arman. I'm really happy to know that you've shared my classes with your university friends. Thank you, thank you. How hard is teaching? It is not that easy how it seemed to me when I was a student. As a student, I used to think, अरे हम लोग को पढ़ना है, teachers को क्या है, आके class में बोल दो, and we are the people who have to learn. But when I came on the other side of the table, I realized that teaching इतना भी easy नहीं है. As a student, I can very well go and sleep in the class, and sometimes teachers don't care because at college level आपको सुनना है, आपको नहीं सुनना है, it's up to you. But as a professor, I have to be wide awake every day, well prepared every day for my lecture. So ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत मतलब I would say कि easy job है, जो लोगों को लगता है teaching is easy. And I had students who used to ask me questions, so I used to be prepared with that also. And with experience, of course, थोड़ा teachers वो हो जाते हैं, they know what students are going to ask. But since I am new into this teaching line, so I have to be really well prepared for the students for their questions. Qualification, मैंने आज ही अर्नव एक वीडियो अपलोड की है on YouTube. I've just uploaded it like 1 hour back. It's on my channel, please watch it out. YouTube पे आज ही मैंने अपने बारे में पूरा बताया. It's a get to know me video, get to know me as we complete a year. So yeah. Yes, I already make videos. I can't read your name, but I already make videos. Where should I complete my post-grad in economics? So Ashish, that's completely your call, which place you want to. So I always always had this thing. I was in Bombay when I was doing my undergrad, so I wanted to be in Maharashtra only. Probably actually I wanted to be in Bombay only, but then destiny took me to Pune, and I was happy to be in Maharashtra. तो थोड़ा on Pune में best तो फिर symbiosis ही है. So I mean थोड़ी अपनी बहुत priorities होती है. I never wanted to be in any other state, and I wanted to be close to the city I want to be in. So yes. So that is the thing. It depends on you. There are so many people who ask me on my DMs about career help, and I always try my best to help you out. मुझे काफ़ी लोगों ने ऐसे भी पूछा, मैम can you solve this assignment and question and give me, but that is something which I don't believe in. I don't have time also to solve your assignments and solve the questions you ask me as a numericals and all. But definitely अगर मुझे कोई career related questions पूछता है तो उसमें obviously I don't have to solve anything, but I always like to give an advice, because at that point of time when you are 20 or 21, almost going to complete your undergrad, or even when you are 22, 23, completing your masters, you are in that confused phase. So it's always good to take advice of people. Even I did that, and I think that helped me come to the right track and do something what I love and not do just what others were doing. So it's good to take advice. Thank you so much, Prince. I'm happy to know. Live session in Hindi this time. Oh yeah, so I'm trying to be in Hindi English दोनों में बोलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, because I've seen this. Whenever I speak in English, people tell कि हिंदी में बोलो. जब मैं हिंदी में बोलती हूँ सब कहते हैं मैम please speak in English. So you have basically confused me. Thank you Rahul, thank you so much. I'm so happy all my friends are joining in and writing such sweet things for me. So thank you. I'm really happy to know. मेरी वीडियोस से अगर किसी का एग्ज़ाम पास होता है, I'll be the happiest person. And I have seen this. Oh yeah, I wish I'll try to. I am not very good in managing time myself, but yes, maybe I can train a little. Something little off the topic. Oh, loving the cute beautiful pendant. I knew that someone in the live will definitely ask me ये कहाँ से लिया. मुझे इतनी बारी मैसेज आते हैं, मैम from where did you take this? And I'm like, मैं कोई fashion blogger थोड़ी ना, I'm an economics blogger maybe. So yes, Shreya, this is from Thrifty Chic Closet. It's an Instagram page on and it's it's owned by one of my very good friends, two of my really good friends, so you can always connect to them. They have really amazing stuff, and मैं तो मेरी आधी जो ज्वेलरी होती है वहीं से खरीदती हूँ, so you can find them. They are following me also, so you can find it that way. It will be easier for you, so you can order. वो भी लखनऊ में ही है, but they deliver pan India. I think Thrifty Cheeks वालों को मुझे thanks बोलना चाहिए. मैं promotion कर रही हूँ उनका. Okay, now let me just see your comments. If I missed on something, I'm sorry. MCQ to an analysis? I don't understand. Which state? I told I am from Uttar Pradesh. Yes. how my story of joining Symbiosis. So I always wanted to be back to Pune. I love Bombay also, but when I stayed for my masters in Pune, मुझे पुणे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगने लगा. Okay, all those people who are from Mumbai, please don't kill me. But I wanted to be back to Pune, back to my, it's not the same college I studied from, by the way. The college where I'm teaching is different from the one where I studied. So I studied in Symbiosis School of Economics, and I'm teaching currently at Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. But I wanted to be back to Symbiosis altogether, and there was a vacancy and they really liked me and I just came. I got the job. So ऐसा कोई story नहीं है, मतलब I think my channel definitely helped me. So all those people who are aspiring net exam, people who are thinking to clear net, तो net तो देखो सबका clear होगा. When you are going for your exam, you will be qualified to sit in the interview only if you have net clear, right? So that will be the same thing. So what extra thing you should have? So in my case, I think my channel was an extra thing, and that really impressed the people who were taking my interviews. So actually the principal himself at that very point of time started to watch my channel when I was telling him about it. So that is something I really was lucky, I would say, and they liked my work, so I got the job. Simple as that. So even if you are planning for net, कुछ extra factor होना चाहिए, because net qualification तो जो भी लोग वहाँ पर interview में आएंगे वो net qualified होंगे ही. So that's my yes, that's my advice to you all. Everyone likes you, ma'am. Oh, thank you, Malvika. Okay, I don't think you failed in economics, Rahul. I believe you were smart in your studies. Maybe you were better at accounts and I wasn't good at accounts. I almost failed at accounts back in school. I studied accounts only for 2 years. मैंने तभी BA economics किया था. I never wanted to even do BCom because accounts was something I used to run away from. In my opinion, there is no notes and text only on your 5 minutes. You're amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you guys study from my videos, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I don't want to be doing a self promotion today, but definitely if you like my content, वो एक छोटा सा button hit कर दो, subscribe to my video, and it'll mean a lot to me. I want to hit the 10,000 subscriber mark very soon, and then I can do something special for you all again if I hit the mark soon. And yes, जल्दी धीरे धीरे और बढ़ेंगे subscribers. You guys who all are on YouTube and hearing me live, एक चीज़ मुझे बतानी थी, don't lose hope because बहुत slow growth होती है YouTube पे. Insta पे followers जल्दी आ जाते हैं. In my case it's been उल्टा. I have more subscribers on YouTube than on Insta followers. But I'm saying कि don't lose hope. It took me 6 months, like exactly 6 months to get 1000 subscribers. So काफ़ी wait किया था मैंने भी. July में I started my channel and back in December I got 1000 subscribers, and then उसके बाद probably मेरे channel को YouTube ने भी थोड़ा promote करता है. If people like your work, then YouTube also puts your videos a little up. So in that case, then within another 6 months, I would say from December, you can say to till now, I have almost like 9100 subscribers currently. तो वो जो 8000 आए वो 6 months में आए, और पहले 6 months में 1000 आए. So that's just an algorithm. मैंने कहीं भी ये किसी वीडियो में बोला नहीं है, but that's just a small thing I wanted to tell you all, that don't lose hope if your subscribers are not increasing. YouTube is a place where growth happens slowly, or be patient, keep making good videos. Thank you, Amruta. I can see my friends joining in. I love you too. Thank you. Okay, my sister is also there on the live. Thank you, Ragvi. Thank you. I can see my Jiju also there. Thank you, everyone, for joining in my live session. And Economics World, thank you for sending me the request. But currently, I just feel I want to talk to whoever's there in the live and have a very general conversation, nothing related to pure economics, because those who are not from economics background, I don't want to bore them, at least today. So definitely we can organize a live with all those economics pages which are we all are doing the same kind of work. So yes, we can have that later on. Okay, I can see some more students. Oh, you're from Symbiosis. Hello. Have seen you grow so much and I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Amrita. My friends encourage me the most, and even if I make a bad video, not bad, I mean not the best video I can make, they will still promote it because they all love me so much. So thank you. Butter chicken or chili chicken? Oh, that is tough, but I think Karan, butter chicken. Like butter chicken is love. So I'm a Punjabi, and Punjabis की तो weakness ही butter chicken होती है. So yes, butter chicken any day. Devika, thank you so much. I'm so glad you love my videos. I can see so many hearts coming in. I've always been on the other side of the live watching people talk, and I used to think ये कैसे बोल लेते हैं live में. And this is my first live session, but I'm having a lot of fun actually because of your questions and your comments. Topics that all teachers talk about overtime with difficulty. You can easily flow in. Arey, thank you so much. That is why my name is 5 Minute Economics. My channel name. My name is Vidhi Kalra. But कभी कभी मेरी वीडियोस 5 से ऊपर चली जाती है, कभी नहीं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आई सीन इट गोज टू 7-8, बट उससे कम में मैं कैसे इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ाऊँ. इकोनॉमिक्स ईजी थोड़ी ना है, मतलब इकोनॉमिक्स टॉपिक को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. तो समटाइम इट गोज 7-8 मिनट्स, बट आई फील्स दे आर स्टिल शॉर्टर दैन 40 मिनट्स 20 मिनट्स और लोग की जो वीडियोज़ होती हैं. एडवाइस फॉर PhD एस्पिरेंट्स, आई डोंट थिंक राइट नाउ I can give an advice regarding a PhD to anyone because I'm still very new for it, but I would say do it only if you want to and if you have that drive and ambition in you, otherwise don't. And thank you so much, Riddhi. Okay, so thank you. Love your channel. Thank you, Riddhi. So I see a lot of people saying good things to me. I hope you all mean that. So thank you. You should have joined a little earlier. I was promoting your page because people really like the neck chain I'm wearing. So yes, she's the one who sells those. Guys, I told you her page name already. Please do follow it. And ma'am, please make videos on IMF, WTO and World Bank. Okay, surely I'll keep that in mind. Thank you. So last collection. Okay, thank you. Can you make a video on IMF and World Bank? Yes, Deadly Eyes, definitely. I don't know your name, but yes. Let's talking in Punjabi. Sidhu, sorry, I am not very fluent with Punjabi, so I will prefer to stick in English and Hindi. I can understand it, but I don't speak that well. So, okay, Malvika, thank you for finding a groom on the live chat. My friends are really the funniest. They are finding grooms for me on this live chat. Thank you. Which university? I'm doing my PhD from Symbiosis International University. So some of you might just not know that Symbiosis एक college नहीं है. मुझे भी ऐसा नहीं पता था till the time I went to Pune. So the college I studied my masters from was Symbiosis School of Economics. The college where I'm teaching is Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. That's a different college. And the college from which I'm doing a PhD is different college, Symbiosis Center for Research and Innovation, SCRI. So all the Symbioses are different. तो ऐसा नहीं है मुझे इसलिए लिया बिकॉज आई वॉज अ स्टूडेंट आउट देयर, बट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग ऑल द सिम्बाइसेस आर डिफरेंट, सो यू कैन चेक इट आउट. कैनेडा ट्रिप सून, करण, डेफिनेटली इफ द व्हाट यू कॉल ये कोविड चला जाए देन डेफिनेटली विल प्लान लॉट ऑफ ट्रिप्स. अभी तो आई एम इन लखनऊ, फर्स्ट आई हैव टू प्लान अ ट्रिप टू पुणे. And then definitely I have to meet up my students also. So any of my students who are here in the live chat, we decided back in class that we'll do a meetup session when things are better. So yes, Symbiosis is the best because it made me find you, Malvika, thank you, and Amruta, yes. So I can see my friends spamming me, not spamming me, they are very sweet, they are there. I have a suspicion that your 5 minutes are limited to micro. Could you please study international and public finance? Acha, you are matlab doubting me. Then definitely have to make videos, but I've made already on international trade and macro. Please check it out on my channel. I have nearly got 49 to 50 videos now, and I've uploaded a video right now like 1 hour back just before the live, guys. That's for the YouTube family. So because we completed a year and I was always asked what do I do, so please guys, watch that video and let me know how you found it. And thank you. No, I haven't completed my PhD. I just I made I hope there was some network issue. I hope I'm there in the chat. A research topic I'm not telling because it's not finalized. What I have in my mind I'll tell you once it's finalized. नहीं, मुझे नहीं सीखनी है यार सिद्धू. पंजाबी सीखनी होती तो अभी तक सीख जाती. इट्स ओके, आई कैन मैनेज विद बीइंग बाइलिंगुअल, हिंदी इंग्लिश, ठीक है. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने कहा था मराठी भी सीख लो सिंस आई वॉज इन पुणे एंड बॉम्बे, में नहीं सीखी मैंने पंजाबी नहीं सीखी, मराठी भी नहीं सीखी. आई ओनली नो हिंदी इन इंग्लिश एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ दैट बिकॉज वो दोनों मुझे अच्छे से आती है यार. सो Yes, definitely. I saw someone, Amit Gupta. You can connect to me on DM. And thank you so much, guys. It's almost half an hour. Thank you, Asim, for joining him. Thank you for all your love. Speak in Marathi, please. One of my friends just said that. मुझे नहीं आती है वो, बस चाह आता है मुझे, चाय को चाह बोलते हैं, थोड़ी बहुत और आती है, which is which didn't come on the live. बोला तो चाह और शंबर, शंबर आई नो, 100 रुपये को शंबर बोलते हैं, सो आई नो दैट इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट करेक्टली. बस इतनी आती है. मालविका अमृता, थैंक यू मेरा मराठी टेस्ट लेने के लिए. और पंजाबी भी थोड़ी जितनी आती है. समर आस्क्ड मी अबाउट पंजाबी, सो बस उतनी ही आती है. पोस्ट ग्रेड के बाद, ओके, यस डेफिनेटली. ओह यस, हाउ डिड आई फॉरगेट दैट, सॉरी अमृता. लेटर आफ्टर द लाइव, थैंक सुजीत. डेफिनेटली आई विल ट्राई मेकिंग वीडियो ऑन दैट एज वेल. आई एम ट्राइंग एज मच टू help and educate my fellow students, especially who at that point of time don't know what to do. So मुझे भी बहुत confusion थी. मुझे भी पहले लगता था मैं MBA कर लूँ after my undergrad, but then I switched to MSc economics. So definitely I will. Thank you so much. Yes, please help me reach 10K subscribers very soon on YouTube. Then after that I'll plan something special for that. So most kind of beautiful mentor. Thank you so much. DDLG और कुछ होता है. Okay, congratulations. Thank you Sid, thank you guys, all of you who were part of my live. काफ़ी लोग starting से end तक थे, and कुछ लोग आए and गए, and but left such sweet comments. So thank you so much for being a part of my live session, and I hope I can just save it when I end it, so I'll put it on my page as well, and those who were not there can obviously just watch that. Thank you Malvika, Rahul, Sidhu, everyone. Thank you all of you. Hey, how do I end it, guys? Okay, I got it.